Hello, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Thing. This is Quick and Easy Meals hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle and myself. Today I decided to make vegetable lasagna. Okay, we're going to make some Italian pasta salad. We're going to start out with a pound of cooked noodles. And to that, we're going to add 1 can of, I chopped them in half, olives, black olives. 1 container of cherry tomatoes, and I chopped them in half. Make sure you don't leave any of the rotten ones in if they're in there. And then I added 1 red onion, chopped, 1 green pepper, and 1 pack of pepperoni. Then we'll kind of toss this a little bit. And then a container of your favorite Italian dressing, which there's my favorite, because I like my Italian dressing a little bit on the sweeter side, just like me, a little bit on the sweeter side. And then stir that in. And then, a lot of times I'll make sure I have 2 containers Italian dressing, just in case, because I don't like my pasta salad dry. This is 1, what size package is this? One package of mozzarella cheese. I don't see a size. And I cubed it. And and 1 cucumber. And that will be all the things we add to our salad dress, our Italian pasta salad. And yes, my bowl needs sideboards. It's a little bit full. And then just put this in the refrigerator and let set. I think it's better if it sets for 24 hours, but if it's not, it's okay. But it should at least set a couple hours before you serve. Thank you and bye.